Hi, Ariana. We've met last year. I'm Miriam Spritzer. It's so great to see you again celebrating the second year of Wicked.
It's so nice to
So,
see you
last year I asked you about the things that you stole from the set, and you told me a lot of things, and you made me promise you that I should ask what you stole from the second part. So, what did you steal from Wicked for Good?
Oh my God. Am I allowed to say this? I don't know that I can say it. Well, I can say it, right? I can say it. I stole the Johnny gave me the scarecrow's thumb. I have that. I have his like prosthetic finger, and I have Cynthia's ears. I have lots of like parts of of characters that maybe I couldn't share before, but yeah, they're here.
That's good.
I
It's a good,
remember this. I
yeah.
remember this. I couldn't wait to tell you about the thumb.
Yes, you actually told me to ask him, and I didn't have the opportunity. So I was like, I have to ask her this year.
Oh my God, well, I hope that it's everything you dreamt it would be.
It totally is. It totally is. Actually, it was a big commotion in Brazil about the things that you stole. We were all obsessed with it. So you should know that everybody was picturing you taking the train, actually.
I know, I wish. I wish. There's not enough room.
Absolutely. Well, thank you so much. Again, congratulations on such a beautiful portrait of Glinda. And I
Thank
cannot wait to see what you do next.
thank you. It's good to see you.